Hi everybody, it is April 22nd, 2017. No pregnancy test today, sorry. Tony's been gone actually for 2 cycles traveling for business, but I will say that we went to the fertility clinic, had a wonderful meeting with the doctor there, and we are on our way. We have a lot of tests to get done and things to happen, but we are on our way to pursue the next step in what we can do. I'm 43 now. It's getting harder, That's what they told me, and I guess it was true. So feeling positive, at least that we have a plan behind us and that we are doing something different. So that's good. What brought me today to post a video blog is actually more on the legal side. Again, Saturday, I had the day off. I was watching a Dateline special on the Scott and Lacey Peterson case, and I completely remember it when it happened, as it was happening in real time, and I was watching this, and it got to the end, or towards the end. I had to pause it because I literally had to stop and talk. He's found guilty of Lacey's murder, and then he was found guilty of baby Connor's murder, which I completely agree with. However, if you follow the same rules and laws as what happened with my baby, who was further along than Connor was, she was a fetal demise. She was not considered a baby. So I thought, why wasn't he found guilty of causing the fetal demise of Connor, which would follow the same path? Or, in reverse, why was the death of my daughter at 40 weeks and 1 day? I'm not saying it was considered a murder. There was no murder. But what I am saying is, why was she found, and why was our case classified under medical malpractice? This is where I need to find, I don't know how to do this. I don't know who to speak to. I don't know if I need to speak to a lawyer, to a judge. But I need to pursue this because I still do not believe that the death of a baby, whether it is born, breathing, or not, at 40 weeks and a day, cannot be considered a child, a life. When you do consider it a life on the other side, you also consider it a life for all the people who are pro-life. They fight for the rights of the child. They fight for the rights of the baby. That's what I'm trying to do now too. So I need to find someone, or find the path of how to do this, because the fact that it falls under medical malpractice only gives you 1 year to file a suit against whoever, hospital, doctor, whoever. Only gives you 1 year. And because it happened to me, only I could file the suit. My fiance could not, the father of our child. My mother could not, who witnessed everything. I had to. And I could not function that entire year. I remember at least 7 months in, I did not have a brain in my head. And not to toot my own horn, but I was a very intelligent person before this. I graduated second in my class in college. I'm pretty good. But this zapped any brain I had. I still am not back to full capacity. I know it. And I tell people. And I'm almost resigned to the fact that I just will never have that memory or the thoughts, hold the thoughts in my head like I could, because I still really can't. Getting there, though. We're getting there. So the fact that I had to do all this within a year is just unfathomable. I just don't understand how the courts expect you to be able to do that. I just needed a little bit longer. You know, even a year and a half, honestly, would have helped because, well, today would have been, McKenna would have been a year and 8 months today. So I've been thinking about her a lot too. So of course that's on my brain. Oh, so anyway, just throwing that out there. Would love to know if anyone has I know someone's going to know what to do or who to speak to, or, you know, if I need to write something or write someone. But that's just my thought. I just don't think, you know, they can't have it both ways. This is quintessential. You cannot have your cake and eat it too. Either it's a baby or it's not. Either it's a fetus or it's not. But love to all the mommies out there. Love to everyone who's trying. Kiss your babies. Kiss your husbands. Because I wish mine were here. I miss him. I miss him lots. But until next time, hopefully we'll have some more news in the next few weeks. Okay?